Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about the NMAT का window system, what exactly the window system and how it's going to affect your preparation. For example, now they've just announced that NMAT is going to be from October 4th till December 17th. You can pick up any date between this time and the window is updated for 75 days. Fine. In this period you can give the exam 3 times. So first time, second time, 3 times, and we'll be taking the best of schools. So NMAT is portraying themselves to us to be a student-friendly exam that you can give the exam anytime. We are open with everything. So, but there's a condition for that. So 75 days is broken into 5 windows: window 1, window 2, window 3, window 4, window 5. Okay. For example, if you want to give the exam in window 1, the result will be out at the end of the window 1, combined for everybody who gives the exam in window 1. Then window 2, एक साथ result आएगा, window 3, window 4, window 5. So like this, the 5 windows. Why I want to see the result? Because attempt number 2 देना कि नहीं देना will be decided by the my score in the window. ठीक है. So ये जो window 1 15 days का window है, everybody giving the exam in that window will get a similar paper. ठीक है. Now simple logic is CAT suppose दो दिन हो रहा है, week 1 and next Sunday week 2. So week 1 week 2 CAT 2 दिन में है. Would you like to give the exam in the first week or second week? I'll prefer second week because at least I'll understand the paper pattern. What is coming, what is not coming, what is the level of difficulty and everything. So that's why what I recommend when to give the exam is towards the end of the window. Fine. So if you want to give the exam early, so October 16, 17 is a very good time to give the exam. ठीक है. Those who are confirmed कि NMAT देना ही है, pick up the date towards the end of the window, so that I'll understand कि पहले लोगों को पेपर कैसा आ रहा है. मेरे दोस्त ने दिया था, तो at least give me an idea about kind of paper, which is a very simple logic. ठीक है. Second window towards the end, maybe by October 30, 29-30, I'll give the exam. End of the window. Okay. Now other thing is we have CAT as well, because most of the people are giving CAT as well. So your NMAT ka date will be dependent on CAT as well. So CAT is on November. This is November 17. CAT is on November 25th in window number 4. So obviously if you are focusing on CAT as well, so please avoid window number 4. We'll give window number 3. So CAT most of people will be giving in window number 3, because this is the time I'm going to spend the CAT exam. CAT is on November 25th. 25th के बाद this huge rush will be there in December. So November and December everybody will be giving NMAT. All the people who are good students of CAT, they're not thinking about NMAT. They'll think about NMAT after CAT. ठीक है. So this is the phase when very less good student will give the NMAT exam, because my focus is on CAT. So if you can give the exam here towards the end of the window, for example November 15, November 14, which is 10 days before CAT exam, your chances of getting a higher percentile is more. Or getting me why? Because जब अच्छा बच्चा है ही नहीं, so NMAT they're going to give you percentile out of this, rank out of these people, rank out of these people. This is the weakest link, because none of the CAT focused student is going to give the exam here. So if you can do that, pick up the date in this phase. Anyway, and don't worry extra about that. Maths का level is same for CAT and NMAT, same मतलब same level of difficulty. ठीक है. Logic I need to study extra. Verbal का level is same. DI I need to study extra, because DI is more about calculations in NMAT. CAT is no more calculation. CAT is a logic based DI. So अगर ये हम कर सकते हैं, तो I can easily give NMAT in that phase. So pick up October 16, 17 का डेट, October 30 के आजू बाजू का डेट, आजू बाजू मतलब 1 डे प्लस माइनस चलता है विंडो के एंड में. देन नवंबर 14, 13 का डेट, नवंबर एंड का डेट, नवंबर 29, नवंबर 30 का डेट, एंड देन December 15, 16 का डेट. December 15 is the ideal date to give the NMAT exam towards the end of the window, so that at least I am well prepared. ठीक है. Now come to second part. Now there are 3 attempts allowed. Most of the people, lot of people give 3 attempts, especially the students from our Villeparle branch, Villeparle, Borivali, Dadar, because on the western line the NMAT is the nearest quality to them, so they have affiliation towards NMAT, which is normal, which is understood. कि नरसिंह मौजी घर के पास है तो obviously जाना चाहेंगे. But my problem is every attempt is around 4,000 rupees plus GST taxes. Why this is 4,000 rupees plus? NMAT का फीस, फर्स्ट टू पे द NMAT का फीस एक्स अमाउंट, देन यू हैव टू आल्सो बाय कॉलेज का फॉर्म वाई अमाउंट, दोनों फॉर्म बाय करना पड़ेगा, कॉलेज का फॉर्म NMAT का फीस. सो विच कम आउट टू बी अराउंड 4,300. 4,000 4,000 4,000 12,000 पे खर्च आएगा अगर 3 अटेम्प्ट दोगे. सो व्हाट पीपल डू, सर मैंने पहला अटैम्प्ट दिया था टाइम पास के लिए, मेरा 192 आया, सेकेंड अटैम्प्ट मैंने दिया अच्छे से 210 आया. तो माई क्वेश्चन इज यार 192, वाई यू आर गिविंग स्पेंडिंग 4,000 रुपीज जस्ट टू डू टाइम पास. 4,000 मतलब आई कैन बाय 100 बियर की बॉटल, दैट्स माई नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर का स्टॉक. सॉरी 40 बियर का बॉटल, 100 रुपये की बियर दूँ करके. सो यू आर वेस्टिंग दैट मच मनी जस्ट टू बाय द फॉर्म. ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई एम रिकमेंडिंग हियर इज वी नॉट गोइंग टू फिल एनमेट. एनमेट का फॉर्म यू कैन फिल एनी टाइम, टिल अक्टूबर तक डेट ओपन रहेगा, वी कैन फिल द फॉर्म एनी टाइम. सो व्हाट आई एम रिकमेंडिंग, अब मॉक देंगे हम लोग. I'll give first, second, 3. There are 10. If you're a CCTV student, there are 10 mocks. So out of these 10 mocks, I'm going to give 5 mocks. Then I'll book date 1 for NMET. Then I'll give 5 next mocks. Then I'll book the date 2 for NMET. Why to waste 4,000 रुपया? My logic is very simple. If you are scoring around 180 marks out of 2 times the cutoff, अगर आपका आराम से 160, 170 जा रहा है आज, तो आराम से इम्प्रूव करके 210 यू कैन स्कोर. इफ टुडे यू आर स्कोरिंग अराउंड 160 मार्क्स, राइट हियर 160, 210 आई कैन इजीली अचीव द टारगेट. इफ योर स्कोर इज 100, 95, 210 नहीं आने वाला ओवरनाइट, आई कैन डिले माई डेट. और विद मी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू प्लान टू गिव द एग्जाम इन October 4th, October 17th. So by September, 2 months before the exam, I'll give a mock. 1 month before the exam, I'll give a mock. The score is 105, will delay, will move to window 2. The moment you're scoring 160 plus, you can give the exam. ठीक है. 180 आ गया तो आराम से कैन इम्प्रूव. या टुडे स्कोरिंग 180, 180, 2 and 10, 30 मार्क का गैप, 3 मार्क का एक क्वेश्चन होता है एनमेट का. सो यूर 10 मार्क्स अवे, 10 क्वेश्चन अवे फ्रॉम नार्सी मॉन्जी कॉल, विच यू कैन इजीली अचीव. आर यू विद मी? So do not fill NMET का form till the time you are scoring 160 plus. That's my cutoff point. If you are want more cutoff, 180 is a brilliant score. 180 आ रहा है तो NMET देने का फ़ायदा है, अदरवाइज NMET देने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. 4-4 हज़ार रुपये खर्चा करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. So पहला काम करो, मॉक दो. So if you are a CTE student or in case you want to buy your mocks, you can join your program. So then we are doing sectional test. So NMET का sectional test, maths, verbal, logic, will break down into parts and then perform in the exam. That's exactly what I am recommending here. We'll give as many tests as possible. ठीक है. So that then I'll book the dates. पहले book CAT का तो फॉर्म भरना ही भरना है, सबको भरना है. But NMET का फॉर्म I can wait. ठीक है. All the best. Thank you.